So we're back here today. Finally got a good day to, it's kind of windy, but good temperature. I got to remove this roll pan. As you can see, it's, when I was in a rush last time trying to put it on, it was like, you open this and it contacts the roll pan, so I just gotta move it down a little bit. But I'm also gonna paint it, because I got this paint over here. Got from the store. It's my gun safe in my truck. Just rolling around in here, just clanking on. What is that? Is this, I think I showed you on the last video, I don't know. But it's the only can that Advance Auto had. It's a small can, so I hope it's enough for this roll pan. I'm only gonna do like a layer or two. No, I'm gonna do 2 layers. 2 layers minimum, but I hope I have enough for a third if I have to, but we'll see what we can do. So yeah, we're doing the roll pan today. I don't know a lot of anything else I have to do. I have to look in my phone because I wrote down a lot of things I have to do to the car and the truck. So I want to knock this roll pan out though, because as you can see, it's, I don't know if the light will show. Yeah, see it? It's not even because the bottom's not, the sides aren't even bolted in. I just put some self tappers in the top to hold it and see what it would look like and match it up. But the tow package is flush. We moved it back 1 bolt hole. I actually had to drill my own holes because I don't know. I've seen on YouTube people said it was a there's factory bolt holes 1 hole back, but mine didn't have it. Maybe it's a certain couple, like a span of years for the Dodges. I don't know, but I'm not sure on that. But mine didn't have it, so I had to drill my own. They're nice and clean. I painted them, put new hardware through on the tow package. So the tow package is repainted. It looked like shit before I repainted it. If I have a part of it before it got painted, I'll put it in the video, but I didn't have an ending to that video, so we're just gonna go from here. But yeah, I got that installed. We're gonna paint it today, try to paint the color match it to the truck as best as possible. I got this paint code off of like it's the Dodge paint code, so it should be close. It's a little off, but because this paint is so new and this is faded, but hopefully it'll blend in enough to look good with it. So just want to make it look good enough, not just the paint and then a matte black bumper. It's kind of offsetting, but yeah, it's just a nice Saturday over here. Gonna knock this roll pan out, and if I have time I might go to the junkyard and look for some mirrors, because I got those old mirrors on there and I want tow mirrors just because they look better. I like the black clean look of the tow mirrors. But doing that today. Might look at the Z, because the Z is actually here. It's right there. Because somebody, I don't know what happened, but the apartment complex I live in is, they're saying that I'm using the parking lot as storage because it's always sitting in the same parking spot, but it runs, it drives. It can be a daily. I used to daily it, but I have a work truck now, so I don't drive these two during the week much. It's really just on the weekends, but it is what it is. So I just leave it over here at my parents because I got to come over here and work on it anyway. And it kind of works out because some days I wanted to work on the truck and the Z because I had 2 small things to do on both of them, but I couldn't drive both of them over here the same day. So yeah, let me knock this roll pan out. I'm gonna get it off, put it on the tailgate, and start prepping it for paint. And yeah, we'll get this going. We got the damn UFC 308 on today.
Literally can't stop fighting. He has now.
It's a 2 p.m. card. I'm not huge on 2 p.m. cards, but I mean, we still gotta work and get shit done, so we got something to watch while we work, so that's cool. But we got UFC 308. It's the Ilya Topuria and Max Holloway fight, and the Hamzat versus Whitaker fight, which is gonna be a banger. It's on. It's gonna come on in like an hour. It's the prelims. Got our damn drink out here, starting early today for the 2 p.m. card. So yeah, let me get to work, and I'll be right back.
He is so good in so many ways. His octagon IQ is so high. His record is impeccable.
These things come primed, but it's like, I've always done this with everything I paint, but see how because I'll put it on the truck and it's set outside for a little bit. Got a little surface rust because I didn't paint it right after I cut it to make it fit around the tow package. So scuff it up just a little bit, just enough to where it's like a slightly rough surface, and then you paint it. I've done this with everything that I've painted, like simple stuff like this, like not a whole paint job on a car, but just like small stuff like this, like grills, wheels, whatever, just a light scuff and then a couple layers of paint over it, and it stays on even through the weather. It stays on, it doesn't chip or nothing. So I'll finish this, scuffing this up, and then I'm gonna start painting it. Had to stop, make some lunch, man. I'm hungry. Drinking that damn beer and shit outside, watching the fights, got me hungry. Got a little bit of butter in there. We got some of this homemade burritos. Little homemade burritos. Yeah. Tastes so much better this way. A little hot in here, you know. Harlan had whiskey for the fights, even though they're at 2 o'clock, and it is 2 o'clock, but we're making this food real quick. Got 5 fights on the main card. Gonna drink some of this up, some Happy Dads, some Land Sharks, eat some food, and just grill and have a good time. Cheers, guys. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, Big Blue. I got the camera on tripod, so I can't see him. Big Blue. Big Blue. Say hi to Blue, guys. It's my parents' dog. Big Blue. Yeah, watch out, bud. There we go. Getting this damn shit cooked up. You feel me? Look at that. Grilled to perfection. Not grilled on the stove, but let's get this lunch in. Sip some damn howler. And then, yeah, just eat some lunch with the dogs and go watch the fights. Alright, so I'm waiting for, I just put 2 layers of paint on the roll pan. So while I'm waiting for that to dry a little bit, because I'm gonna do like 3 or 4 until you can't see the black anymore. I thought that paint would cover it more, but it's not. It's kind of like the first layer was really light. I can see all the marks in it still, but I'll wait for the 2 layers to dry. Go watch these UFC 308 fights at my brother's, because he lives like 5 minutes up the street from my parents. Go over there, watch the fights with them, enjoy those. Come back here, put more paint on it, and if I can get it to look the way I want it to, then I will let it dry enough to hang it up tonight. And if not, I'll finish it in the morning, because I'm going to be here early in the morning to detail my girlfriend's Jeep with her and then watch the game with my parents, so, and my family. They're all coming down to have a get together and make food and all for the game, so that'll be fun. But yeah, I'm gonna try to finish up tonight, if not tomorrow morning, and then hopefully it looks good. If it don't match perfectly, I don't care, just because it's a small strip of section of the truck, and that I don't really ever see. I don't really give a shit. But if it comes out super bad, I'll probably just gonna go with the stock bumper, get a brand new one, shiny one, and put it on. It'll probably look good. Low-key, I kind of wish I went that route, but I had already ordered the roll pan, so we will see how this looks. And yeah, let's go enjoy these fights. Z ended up being dead. Jump box didn't jump, it was too dead. So, I'll right up the road, but bumper's not on there, so I can't put it on there, so we're getting ghetto for a few minutes.
The battery?
Sunday, just watched the Ravens game. Just finishing touches on this goddamn roll pan.
The scratch is almost gone.
Are they?
Yeah.
Doesn't gotta be perfect. I mean, it's gonna look newer than the whole truck.
I'm telling you.
Finishing this up. Put it back on tonight. Drive it home. Let's put the 4th layer on it after sanding. I sanded after every coat. Sun's hitting it, but the sun, well, it was hitting it, but.
She's like, welcome outside, man.
What? No. No, that shit's gay. Told Turner is no longer, but yeah. Let this dry 30 more minutes, throw clear coat on it, and let that dry, I guess another 30 minutes, and then put it on. Alright, I got 1% left on this battery, so just got this on, roll pans on. Camera don't do it justice because it's sun went down, but brand new paint, it matches pretty well. Ooh, I'm below 1%, but yeah, tow package is painted, it all flush and matched up with the bumper on both sides. That's what it looks like. It looks good. Paint match came out pretty damn good. Yep. Alright, well, that's it for this weekend, guys. Finally got to finish a video, so I can go and edit this one and upload the next one. So, got the roll pan done this weekend. Had a great weekend, watched the fights with friends and family, and then came back here. Did a few coats on that, and then last night, me and my girl just hung out with my brother at his house. And then this morning, ran our errands and came back here, had a cookout with the family, and I finished this up because I wanted to let it dry overnight, so. Roll pan's done. Next, I'm gonna next week we got a few things to do with the Z or the truck. It depends on which one I want to do, but that's it for tonight. I'm gonna head in here, spend a little bit more time with my girl and my parents before we gotta head out and start, because we gotta get started for the week, the work week, and yeah, the family all left. They all headed out for the night. But it's always good to see friends and family, man, whenever you can. So yeah, I'm ending this video here. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for taking your time to watch my videos, and I don't know, just hope you enjoy the videos, and if you like what you see, subscribe, leave a comment. I don't care if it's good or bad, just yeah, just leave a comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. So y'all have a good week.